we got this Key West coming up. What up, my people? We're here today at the Florida State Fairgrounds in Tampa, Florida for the Tampa Bay Boat Show. And we're going to check out some boats, check out some prices, and see what it costs to get you on the water. Let's go. We're going to stick around Key West for a minute. So we're over here at 65K. 65K. MSRP 78, boat show price 65K. With the trailer, everything included. Maximum capacity of 7 people, basically 1,100 pounds. You got room for a little head in there. This is a Key West 21 210 BR, 21 foot. 21 foot. With a 175 VMAX show. Yamaha show, 175. Going for 65. And 21 foot, look at that.
Welcome to the Tampa Bay Boat Show. Our final fishing seminar of the day.
Let's check this out.
Will begin at 3 p.m. in the entertainment hall, South Shore Fishing with Captain Larry Fridge. Fishing the outdoor tides. That's at 3 p.m. in the entertainment hall, South Shore Fishing with Captain Larry.
Already showed you the, you got room for a head in there. 65K ain't bad. Key West, 21 foot. You got rod lockers. You know I love those. We love those. Live well right here. Nice little fishing platform. Let's check out the other one. Rod locker, rod locker. All right. So you can throw 5 rods in there. That's 10 rods right here. 10 rods. You got your storage, put your bucket in there, keep your cast net. Got the indentation for it, and we got the spinning seat that we love. You heard? You heard? Anchor lock. Key West. You got rod holders along the center console, another 3 over there. And then your head over here. And your flip up seating. Yes, indeed. Live well in the middle. Access to your bilge. 175 Yamaha show. 65K. 65K. Let's check out this other one. We got Bay Reef over here. This is a 115. No, that was a Bay Reef too. That's a 21 foot Bay Reef. Yeah, I like the Bay Reefs. And we got that color, man. Let's not forget the color. Seeing this color look mean. Especially when you live in the tropics. That's a mean color. Look at that. You heard? It's a mean color for FLA. 65K, spinning seats. Then we got the smaller one. That's the 21 foot. Right next to it, we got the 18 foot. Okay? So the 21 foot is going for 65. It's the 18 right here. You're gonna look at the 18. 18 Bay Reef. 18 Bay Reef. Show price 50. That's what I'm talking about. You in the game. You in the game. You in the game. You should flip down seating so you can still get the family on there. Right? You got access right there to your bilge, little storage. You're in the game. That should be a live well just like the other one. The storage. Let's go in here real quick. We're gonna go in here real quick. Little 18 foot Bay Reef. This might fit in the garage. This might just fit in the garage. All right. So it's convenient. You get this in the garage, it's convenient. 50K brand new. Bay Reef. All right, that's your live well right there. You got live well, fold down seat, and access to your bilge right there. And you got rods along the sides on both sides. You hold about 3 rods on both sides. Coming with a sim rad. Nice little leaning post. Get you in the game. Fishing the intercoastal. Get you in the shallows. Another live well up here. Nice little fishing platform. And yeah. So when that fish take you for a ride, that's what when the fish take you a ride. All right, you ain't gonna lose that fish on that thing. You know what I mean? You might need a seatbelt. Buckle you down. Buckle you down. And that's nice. See that? Put your bucket in there with the casting net. There you go. Give me a seatbelt. You catching marlin and everything on here. Key West. So you get the 21 foot for 65, which is right here, right? And the one I'm on is a smaller version, 18 foot. Might just fit in the garage, breakaway tongue trailer. And you're at 50. You're at 50. So you already know. You already know. Key West. MSRP 61. Boat show price 50. Not bad little dig. All right, gotta go get my kicks. Left my kicks somewhere else. Been walking around in my socks. All right, you got small over here. You're getting a little cheaper. This Key West going for 46. MSRP 57, going for 46. Look at this thing. Look at this. So this is a 17 foot, almost 18, 17.9. Will fit in the garage, get you in the game for 46. Still at around 50. Fit in the garage, comes with a bimini top. All right. Bimini top, with that pretty color. With that pretty color, because we're in the tropics. You already know. 46.9, Key West. It's the 179 FS. Comes with a sim rad. Get this in the garage. You got your fold down seating for when you got the family with you. There's your access right there. Hopefully the other side got a live well. Got a little 115 Yamaha. Yup, there's your live well. Get you in the game, less than 50. Right in the garage. Right in the garage with the Key West. All right. So we're gonna go a little bigger right here. It's the same exact boat, 115 Yamaha. This one's going for 49.9. And this is an 18 foot. So the one we just looked at was a 17. This is an 18. Almost a 19. It's 189 FS. Check that out. Going for 50. Going for 50. Coming with a sim rad. This one's got some more seating for you. A little more comfortable for the family. With the backrest and everything. This actually folds down. Let's see this one. 18 foot, you got room for a little head in there. And I'm gonna have storage underneath there. 50K. 50K for the Key West. 189 FS. All right, so there's your Key West lineup. And they got some decent ones in there. Get you on the water. You ain't killing the bank. Ain't killing the bankroll. Key West. I like them Bay Reefs. I like the Bay Reefs. All right, let's check out this Key West right here.
Yeah, I'm leaving now, so.
Still a little 17, another 17 foot that could fit in the garage. Let's check this one out. All right, 1720 cc. We're a little 90. We're a little 90. This is going for 37. This might be the winner. All right, this might take the cake right here. Most affordable boat in the boat show. This might do it. 37.9. Key West. You have 40K. All right. So there's your live well. Boom. Our little helm seat. Coming with a little sim rag. Remove those cushions, you're gonna have some more storage. It's a fit in the garage with the bimini top. With the bimini top. Key West. 37.9 boat show price. Normally 46K. Key West. 17 foot for less than 40. With a little 90 on it. With the truck. All right, we're gonna move along. So we got a 175 on the center console right here. This looks nice too. It's a 21 foot Bay Reef center console. Check that out. It's going for 75. This is going for 75 right here. Now we're gonna check out this one. Coming with the 175 Yamaha show. All right, Key West. Key West. All right, we on here. We got the flip up seats. There you go, boom. See that? Live well in the middle. $175 Yamaha show. And there's your access. Battery controls. Coming with the Simrad at the helm. Clarion system. Got the rod lockers. You already know how I feel about those. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Live well. Storage with the bucket for your cast net. You better hold on. You better hold on. You better hold on. You heard? More rod lockers. So we're holding 10 rods in here. 10 rods in the rod lockers, 5 on each side. And you got 3 that you can put on the side. All right? So that's 16 rods. Damn. You got another live well right here. There's room for your head in there. You got the cooler underneath the helm seat with more rod holders. 4 rod holders and then more rod holders up top. I like it. I like it. It's going for 75. MSRP is 80, 89. 89 for the Key West 210 BR. Going for 75. 21-foot Bay Reef with the hard top. 75K. So then you come over here, right on the other side of it, and you got the 23-foot. No hard top, going for 80. All right. Key West got it. It's a 23-foot. 23-foot bay boat, 230 BR. Flip up seats. Live well. Battery access. Rod holders along the side. Coming with the Garmin. It's your bench seat. Fusion radio. You're at 80. You're at 80 for a 23-foot. Your head in there, all right? And you got the rod holder storage. You know what you gotta do, right? Hold on. Oh, there's another storage unit for your cash net. Yeah, you already know this was the live well. Oh, struggling with that one. But you already know. Rod holders, yes. All right. And we got this Key West coming up. This is not bad. This is 23-foot. Once again, 23-foot at 80. MSRP 102, 80 boat show price. Let's go a little bigger. Look at this one. Look at this bad boy right here. Now we get into the dual power poles, blacked out engine. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That one got everything. Trolling motor, dual power poles, blacked out engine. Let's see what that's going for. Let's see what that's going for. This one had the Yamaha 200. Trailer, GPS unit, and safety kit included. So this MSRP of normally 140, going for 105. All right, 2025 Key West, 230 BR, 230 BR, so it's a 23-foot. And you got a 250 Yamaha show with the dual, look at that, look at that. It's mean right there. The dual power poles. So you're at 105 for that machine right there. Key West got it. Look at that. Fold down seating, live well gonna be in the center there. Basically the same layout as a smaller version. This is the 23-foot Bay Reef. Just you got the hard top, T-top, and you're all decked out. All decked out. So you're gonna have your rod lockers in there. You got the power pole, the fighting chair, and you decked out with the two power poles and the trolling motor. It's your trolling motor. And you got another one on this side, which is just a little bigger. It's a 25-foot. This one's going for 120 by Key West. 25-foot with that beautiful color. And you got the coffee. Let's go check this one out. So it's a 25-foot Key West. Mean. Look at that. Mean. Dual power poles. Live well. Fold down seating. Key West embroidery all over the place. Seat moves so it could becomes a leaning bar or bench seat, leaning post, whatever you want to call it. There's your view. It's your controls, all them buttons. Push them buttons if you like Key West. If you like Key West, push them buttons. If you still watching me, comment Explore in the comments. You heard? Comment Explore in the comments. You got the Garmin on here, the Fusion radio, and there's your head. So you'll put your head in there, porta potty. Got the rod lockers. Go ahead. Hold on. Right, hold on in the comments if you're still watching. And check out this coffin right here. Look at all that storage you're gonna get. Look at all that storage. This Key West is nice. Rod lockers. Rod knot lockers. So you got to put 2 cast nets. All right, you got one there, the bucket for the cast net, and you got one here on the floor like I showed y'all a little earlier. Keep your bucket. You treat one of them as a garbage bucket, one of them for your cast net, or you could just have 2 cast nets. Do whatever you need to do. Got the cooler right here. Nice layout. Look how beautiful that is. 4 rod holders along the top and 4 more along the backrest. Decked out. This Key West kind of mean. 25 foot. Going for 120. Going for 120. With the 300. 300 Yamaha. You don't gotta do nothing to that thing. Nothing to it. Fishing machine. And Key West lineup. Key West lineup at the Tampa Boat Show. They kind of got it. They got it. All right, my peoples, it's wrap-up time. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and that little notification bell right here. I'll catch you at the next boat show. We out.